and I can see the colors that you are wearing this evening, and that's why I am purposely wearing blue and white. Because with all due respect to the green, the red, and the black that you have purposely put on this evening, blue and white will always prevail.
Let's not divide colors on the basis of religion. It sometimes happens in my country as well. And also to tell you, Frederick, the garment I'm wearing is a sari, and it's my grandmother's. If she was alive, she would have been about 105 years old today. She didn't know what the Israel-Hamas conflict was, and the sari in no way signifies any support for any side. What has happened in Gaza, the bombing of the hospital, 5 people dead, is simply criminal. What I'm wearing right now is simply my grandmother's sari. It signifies nothing else.
Beautiful.
Leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much. Frederick, no, Frederick, I will not let you choose what I wear, and I will not let you choose what I say. I will say what I have to say, and I will speak the truth the way I see it. Truth, of course, has many versions. There is one version coming from Israel, and there's another version coming from Gaza.